One of several couple of very helpful pure methods for overall health enhancement, green tea provides a deep and rich historical past in our modern society for several causes. Mostly though, green tea's attractiveness is due to the regarded and established positive effects for reinforcing our body's natural immune system, protect against the signs of aging, and nearly produce a good effect in practically every single facet of our total wellness. Written information dating back again to ancient cultures have offered expansive particulars as to their employs and apps, and these days, modern day drugs and know-how has offered concrete results backing up what our forefathers have acknowledged for quite some time now. And within the recent years, overall health aficionados are already turning in the direction of an even better choice, the natural green tea. The time period organic has long been developing very a buzz currently. It's come to be form of the buzzword for anything at all and every little thing that is definitely linked to wellness and wellness. From poultry to vegetables and herbs, being tagged with all the time periodic organic promptly ups its well-being worth and most with the time. This also raises its price tag. This is certainly for any good rationale, however. Normally grown solutions like natural green tea presents the overall health rewards that we are able to derive from them, devoid of exposing us to your hazards and pitfalls that contemporary technological innovation has placed in place. Being labeled an organic product or service is just not a promoting scheme or way to make men and women fork out additional. Instead, it is just a tag that reveals which the individual merchandise was developed or elevated the way character meant it, and is particularly free of charge from unnatural and most likely damaging things which might just be counterproductive. You see, humankind's progress and development has permitted us to obtain amazing technologies and science which optimizes our methods. These breakthroughs have presented us tremendous gain with regards to productivity, but it really does occur with a large value to pay. Farmers and cattle ranchers ahead have encountered many issues with different problems primarily to wonderful losses and wastage. Issues like pest and rodent infestation meant substantial injury, unfertile lands resulted to smaller sized produce or reduced top quality products and solutions, and insufficient crop rising or cattle raising essentials like water, grass, and enough sunshine applied lots of issues. To answer this challenge, we designed a lot of systems like pesticides and genetic altering strategies, and this has permitted us to maximize our assets and setting. Unfortunately, although these exact technologies that have paved how for a larger production to feed the balanced populace are also providing adverse results, most primarily to the same human body it is striving to provide sustenance to. Such things as pesticides, synthetic fertilizers, and genetic modifications are normally utilized, but majority of our food items means and many experiments have demonstrated they have adverse effects on the human physique, also to the natural environment as well. Even though some state that these artificial or synthesized parts really don't harm your body if absorbed or ingested in compact doses, you can find no concrete evidence belying the very fact that these substances and compounds could gradually speed up our body's weakening and damaging procedure. These compounds could appear to be harmless now, nevertheless, they can gradually build up and turn out to be large ample to inflict serious well-being complications. Or maybe they could start attacking now and ultimately trigger satisfactory hurt, deadly to our whole method. In the event you're taking green tea now hoping that its several useful attributes will allow you to as part of your quest for any much healthier system you're suitable. But if your green tea you're taking can also be riddled with these unhealthy and deadly ingredients, then perhaps you're just performing one other way around. It's greater to often make sure to look at that you are receiving natural and organic green tea. You could believe a farmer or producer could slap within the tag organic and none would be any wiser. Wrong. Natural products and solutions like the natural and organic green tea are intently monitored through the USDA to be sure that they had been grown or raised in accordance to the rigorous criteria. This implies that no pesticides were made use of, only pure fertilizers are used, no introduction of GMOs or genetically modified organisms, plus other unnatural items processes using imposed on merchandise to enable aspects banned from the USDA.